Hi everybody, Miss Debbie from TechWorks. I'm here today to talk to you about our 3D printing options that we have here at our TechWorks facility. We are really lucky to have 4 Form 3 resin printers. These are different than some other printers that you might have seen before because they use cartridges that are full of different resin material. And we put them in a tray and the build starts from the bottom up. So I'm going to talk about the process in just a second. But we do have 4 of these Form 3 printers. We also just got a new MakerBot printer. This may be one that some of you are more familiar with because it uses filament to make the objects that we're going to be using. So that's another opportunity that you have here. So as far as the way that the 3D printer works, as soon as the build is finished, it will be on the bottom of this platform. And then we'll actually take this platform out and we're going to take it over here to our wash and cure station. So we have an electronic wash and cure station. And so if the object is suspended from the bottom of this platform, we can place it right inside the wash station. And then we can start our wash. And it will wash for about 15 or 20 minutes to get all of the resin excess off of the object that we're going to be building. So this will sit in here for about 15 or 20 minutes. And when it's finished, then we will take it off the platform. And we have a bunch of tools that we can use. And we're going to take all of the objects off of the platform. And we can either let them air dry here on the table, or we can place them in a UV cure. So we would use a UV cure if we were trying to make something really durable and we want it to last for a really long time. So these are some objects that we have been building here in TechWorks. We're working with our special ed department and our AgWorks department to create some fruits and vegetables that we're sending home to some of our students and some of our activities that we're doing. We also built a robot, a rocket, and a drone this summer at our camps. And so all of the students got to take one of these home with them. And right now, we're currently working on a robot arm design. We're having a little bit of trouble with the design. So maybe that will be something that you will help us do when you come to TechWorks. You can help us figure out what to do with this design. And finally, we have one more Formlab printer. This is our really large Formlab 3L. And this one has a really big print bed. Prints about a 1-foot size object on here. Takes a really long time to print. Some of you may have seen our Lego build video that we have posted. It took about 27 hours to build one Lego. So what we'll be able to do with this is you will be able to build your object at home and you'll be able to send us your file and we'll be able to print it for you and send it to you. So we're really looking forward to giving you more opportunity to learn about our 3D printing and to get involved. So for another TechWorks Tuesday, signing off.